Hello everyone, I'm Mary Beth Kirkus, Director of Development here at the National Civil War Museum in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and it is my honor to introduce you to our new CEO, Jeff Nichols. Jeff, how's your first couple weeks here at the National
It's been very busy and exciting, and it's been a pleasure to get to know all the staff and learn more about this wonderful organization and be a part of the gala last week and to meet so many of our friends and supporters. So far so good.
It's been great having you, getting to know you, and we have something very exciting to share with all of the folks here. It was a little bit of a surprise for you, wasn't it?
That's right. So the nice kind of surprise for a new director coming into an organization like this. Thanks to the generosity of 2 board members and 2 of our wonderful donors, we have a $26,000 challenge grant in front of us to help fix the gallery spaces within the museum. As you know, most of the galleries are now 20 years old, and it's beginning to show a little bit of its age, especially in the technology side. And so This grant will help us to replace all the old technology in this exhibit to make it function, hopefully, for the next 20 years.
Yeah, we get 4.5 to 5-star ratings on the videos that we have here in the galleries and the displays and the stories that we tell. But the brain that operates those exhibits is starting to reach the end of its life.
That's right.
And so it's a nearly $200,000 fix for the museum. So the folks who have put together this challenge match will match your contribution dollar for dollar up to $26,000. Now, how do you make a donation? Well, there's a link inside this post, or you can go to the museum's website and click on donate, and it's in the drop-down menu there. Those are 2 ways to do it. Or you can mail a check to the museum. Send it to Gallery Upgrades, the National Civil War Museum, 1 Lincoln Circle at Reservoir Park, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, 17103. Any way you'd like to make your contribution, we will accept it. And if we can reach our goal of matching this $26,000, it'll put us toward the finish line of this campaign.
Absolutely. It'll be a wonderful adaptation to what is an already exceptional exhibition. So thank you for your support in advance. We hope you contribute to this great cause, and I look forward to meeting all of you here at the museum.
Yep, come visit us soon. See you at the museum.